Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. Here in the best part of YouTube learning channel. As you all know that every Saturday I'm going to keep one thing, that is financial analysis of the particular whole week. So this week also I came up with the financial analysis of my stocks and all those. So this time I just want to say one thing, that what do you mean by financial analysis? So many members will say that always financial analysis, financial analysis. What is that? Simple friends, it refers to the assessment of viability, stability and profitability of a particular business or a project. But here in my Be Inspired, I'm not saying about any business, I'm not doing any project. So many days, so many months or so many years back, I just purchased some stocks and some mutual funds. So based on that, how the market is fluctuating, like that we are getting profits, like that we are getting loss, right? So this is not a business, it is not a project. Okay, based on the market we are doing it, we are getting it, not doing it. It is performed by professionals who prepare reports using ratios and other techniques that makes use of information to form takes from financial statements and other reports. So this is the meaning of financial analysis. Of course, in this one thing we know is for every week we are just learning what is the viability and stability and how much profit we are getting that. So that thing I can explain you very clearly. Okay, so as you all know that I have two platforms. One is Kuvera and the other one is Upstocks. So I'm just saying about Kuvera. It is an online platform for mutual fund investment in India. It is operated by Arvik Advisory Services Private Limited, a company headquarters in Bangalore. Kuvera positions itself as a wealth management platform for individual investors and offers investment in direct mutual funds without any fees or commissions. Friends, I already said that you can also buy USA stocks from India by using this Kuvera only. So Kuvera, along with the company Vested, it just joined and it is giving you a very beautiful thing, that is USA stocks. Really friends, you can purchase USA stocks only through Kuvera in our India. But actually it doesn't, it is Upstocks is there, but it is trying to give, but right now it is not giving Upstocks. So previously Upstocks is known as RKSV, and now with the trade name Upstocks, it is a financial services company. It is headquartered in Mumbai. So RKSV is nothing but it is the friends and two brothers are there. So based on those two brothers, this RKSV is there. Upstocks is funded by Ratan Tata, Kalari Capital and GVK Davix, which makes Upstocks a safe and reliable stockbroker for your investment. It is one of the best discount brokers in India, especially for the traders. And in this Upstock also, you can directly invest, no need of any other brokers also. If you have a very good knowledge of stocks or stock market, then you can simply directly go to the Upstocks and you can buy it or you can sell it. Okay, so before starting this, please share, like, subscribe my channel. I just said how is Upstocks and how is Kuvera is all. Now we will just see how the stock market was. Okay friends, so you all know that from the last weeks onwards you are observing this. So these two are called pie charts, and this chart is telling that how much amount I invested breakdown by mobile app. So you all know that I have two mobile apps, one is Kuvera and the other one is Upstocks. So the highest amount is invested in Upstocks, that is 65.9%. And this one is saying that the second highest amount I invested in Kuvera, that is 34.1%. So that's what this pie chart is explaining to you. And this is also one of the pie chart. And this pie chart is divided into three things, that is MF is nothing but mutual funds, stocks and ETF. So these three are also based on from these two mobile apps only. So now these are called investor vehicles, means what kind of things I purchased. So one is mutual fund and the other one is stocks and the other one is ETF. Okay friends, so the highest amount I invested in ETF, that is 63.6%, and the second highest amount I invested in mutual funds, that is 33.2%, and the least amount I invested in stocks, that is 3.2%. That's what this pie chart is explaining here. And moving on to the next thing, these two are called bar graphs friends. And this bar graph is explaining that percentage change since invested, percentage of profit since invested breakdown by mobile app. So my mobile app are Kuvera and Upstocks, and this is explaining that the highest profit I got in Kuvera, that is 26.31%, and the second highest profit I got in Upstocks, that is 23.8%. Okay friends, this is since invested, not from the last week. Okay, and this is also bar graph, and this bar graph is explaining about invested vehicle. So my invested vehicles are ETF, stocks and mutual funds. So in this bar graph, among the three graphs, of course by saying this you can easily understand that mutual funds are showing the highest profit, that is 26.31%, and second highest profit is shown by stocks, that is 22.27%, and the least profit is shown by ETFs, that is 19%. This is explaining this bar graph is explaining this. Now coming to this bar graph, percentage change since last week breakdown by mobile app. So my mobile apps are two, that is Kuvera and Upstocks, and from the last week means from September 27th to October 3rd. So by this you can easily understand that Kuvera is having highest profit from last week to this week, that is 4.99%, and the second highest profit is shown by Upstocks, that is 4.1%. That is explanation of this bar graph. And coming to this bar graph is explaining that percentage of profit, percentage change is nothing but here percentage of profit since last week, means from September 26th to October 3rd. Okay, so breakdown by invested vehicles. So by this you can easily understand that mutual funds is showing highest profit from last week to this week, that is 4.99%, and second highest profit is shown by ETF, that is 4.20%, and the least profit is shown by stocks, that is 2.34%. Friends, if you observe these two graphs from since invested to till today, here first is Upstocks, second is stocks, and third is ETF. But when compared to last week to this week, first is mutual funds, second is ETF, and third is stocks. See friends, what is the difference here? Okay, only this bar graph is particularly showing about only the last week to this week. Okay friends, now we will compare these two graphs and we will see what these two graphs are explaining to us. Let me just keep it down. Now you can see it easily. For comparison purpose it will be easy to us. So these two graphs are saying about breakdown by mobile app only. This is how much amount I invested and this is how much profit I got from my investment. Actually here how much I invested, friends, Upstocks I invested more, but here I got least profit in Upstocks. Less amount I invested in Kuvera, this time I got highest profit in Kuvera. So here it is showing in reverse way. See friends, if I'll keep my mouse here, you can see very clearly that this is the amount I invested in Upstocks and this is the amount I invested in Kuvera. Okay friends, so the least amount I invested and I got the highest profit, and the highest amount I invested I got the least profit. That's what these two graphs when you compare this. And coming to this also, coming to this, see friends, can you easily see here? So how much amount is in ETF and mutual funds and stocks, it is showing very clearly. Okay friends, now when you compare these two, both are saying, these two graphs are saying about invested vehicle only. So the least amount I invested in stocks, I got second highest profit, and the second highest amount I invested in mutual funds, I got highest profit, and the highest amount I invested, I got least profit. See friends, I invested more in ETF but I got less profit in ETF, and I invested less amount in stocks but I got second highest profit in stocks. Second highest amount I invested in mutual funds, so better it is showing highest profit. So means I invested in proper way. Because why I am comparing this, because this is the amount I invested and this is the profit I got from that. So if I invested in a proper way, then only I'll get the proper thing. So that is the reason I was checking. So by saying this, I can say that okay, I invested in correct places only. Now when you compare these two things, if you observe friends, the last week, if you observe here, each and everything is in loss. See here, when you compare each and everything, it is in loss. When compared to last week to this week, and this is the this week's trends. So it shows very good profit. So Kuvera is highest profit, and the same way from last week to this week also Kuvera is showing highest profit. And when compared to this when compared to this invested vehicle, from I got highest profit in mutual funds. The same way last week to this week also I got highest profit. But whereas the stocks is showing second highest, it is showing the least profit here. The least profit is showing in ETF, but it is showing the second highest profit in ETF. So that's what these graphs are explaining, friends, to you. Okay, so from last week to this week we got highest profit in mutual funds. So I just written all the mutual funds, how many I have. I just have only 4. So this is the amount I invested for each and everything, and this is the amount I got in this on today, and this is the amount to last week. But Sensex was still in loss only. Okay, but when compared to last week to this week, it was just increased. I can say it is increased. When compared to last week to this week, the amount is increased. Actually, from my investment it is showing loss, but actually when compared to last week to this week, it is showing good profit, good amount is increased. So that's it, friends. This is the financial analysis of this week when compared to last week. So the markets are very good range, and we all are getting profits. So this time we got good profits only. So in this way I just try to invest it. You have so many brokerage systems, but I just used only this two, so that is the reason I just explained about this. So very good thing about Kuvera is with the help of Vested, joining with Vested, Kuvera is also investing in USA stocks. But with the help of this Kuvera, if you want to buy in USA stocks, you can buy. You can even buy that. I just want to share this information, nothing more than that. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you for listening.